How to make easy, at-home Japanese curry in less than 45 minutes. To make this dish, cut chicken breast or skinless boneless chicken thighs into small bite-sized pieces. Peel and cut your potatoes, carrots, and celery to a similar size and set aside. Cut onions in strips and chop up curry blocks in smaller pieces so it will melt easier. In a large pot, I use my Dutch oven, but any heavy bottom pot will work. Add oil, onions, and chicken and saute until soft and partly cooked. Add in the potatoes and veggies and saute for another minute before adding in water. Let the curry come to a boil and add in your curry block and simmer until thick and beautiful. Serve over hot rice and garnish with parsley if desired. This is a perfect, comforting weeknight meal that comes together in under 45 minutes. Have you ever tried Japanese curry? I use the mild golden curry blocks in this video, but let me know if there are other variations of this dish that I should try. Check out the recipe in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button below.